Naka-full alert status o code red na ang Bureau of Protection simula po ngayong araw, Disyembre 23, para yan sa Yuletide season. Sa isang statement, sinabi ng ahensya na papairalin ito hanggang sa Enero 2 ng susunod na taon. Ito ay alinsunod na rin sa uplan paalala iwas paputok ng ahensya. Bunsod nito ay epektibo na rin ang operational readiness at striktong pagsunod sa mga precautionary measures. Sa isang press conference, iniulat ni Bureau of Fire Protection Community Relations Service Chief Fire Senior Inspector Gabriel Solan na wala pang naitatalang fire-related incidents sa mga paktorya ng paputok. Ang pinakahuli pong naitala na sunog ay sa isang tindahan ng mga paputok noong Hunyo 2 ng kasalukuyang taon. Sa kasalukuyan naman, mayroon na pong 24 na firecrackers at pyrotechnic-related incidents sa ating bansa, kung saan 15 po dito ay bunsod ng pagsabog ng paputok at 16 naman ay sa mga pyrotechnics o mga pailaw. Narito pang karagdagang pahayag ni BFP Community Relations Service Chief Fire Senior Inspector Gabriel Solan.
Yung trend po natin is still low. So we're hoping na magtutuloy-tuloy po yung ganito. We have already recorded a total of 24 firecracker and pyrotechnic related fire incidents, 15 of which are caused by firecracker explosion and 16 are pyrotechnics o yung mga pailaw po.
Samantala, ayon pa sa Bureau of Fire Protection official, nag-deploy na rin ang BFP na mahigit 38,000 nilang personnel. Mayroon ding mga emergency medical units at BFP First Aid Service teams kasama ang Department of Health at Metropolitan Manila Development Authority para tumugon sa mga emergency cases.
In terms of the capability of the Bureau of Fire Protection, we are manned by 38,000 plus personnel. They are all on duty now. And we also have our emergency medical units and our recently added BFP FAST, yung first aid service teams. Wherein ito pa yung mga naka-motorcycle na EMTs ng Bureau of Fire. So hindi na po, well, we know Metro Manila during the holidays is crowded with vehicles and traffic and all that. Kaya po ang BFP had already deployed motorcycle ready or motorcycle riding EMTs. So together with the Department of Health, together with MMDA, sila po kasama madalas mag-responde sa mga medical emergencies din. Aside from our ambulances, we are also deploying EMTs on motorcycles.
Payag po yan ni Bureau of Fire Protection Community Relations Service Chief Fire Senior Inspector Gabriel Solan.